Hi, I'm Theo, and here's a little tip about how to make one of my 3D printable head bases wearable. So if you've printed one of my head bases, you probably have the main part of a head and also the lower jaw as separate pieces. The first thing that I do is attach the lower jaw to the head, and I do that by making pegs like these with Polymorph or Blackmorph. Those move a lot better in the PLA plastic than 3D printed parts would do, so it's just my preferences to make them by hand. As soon as the lower jaw is attached, I have to set the distance between the front of the mask and my own face. I do that by attaching these strips of foam here, just where my forehead is. And I usually use about 3 to 4 foam strips, and each is about a centimeter. You can use less. I use that much because I also need space for my glasses, and if you do not wear glasses, you can use much less. So, with the distance set, I then can try the lower jaw. There only has to be one strip of webbing that goes around your chin, like that. And I temporarily attach those with clamps or with tape till I'm completely satisfied with fitment, and then I glue it in just on both sides, and most of the time I use the holes in my models to better attach it. So if I use hot glue, for example, I fill that hole with hot glue, and that creates a very strong bond.